We are back with some new unboxing videos. Make sure to like and subscribe and let's get through this video. First of all, I have got a brand new, well, chillax guys, do not worry, this is not a real gun, this is an airsoft gun. But this is one of my favorite guns to use when I go camping. So I'm about to unbox this thing, so let's get through the video. I actually have one more right there and I have a paintball gun, but I do not have it here, so I will unbox it in another video. So let's get that fresh opening. If you want to know, this is called the CP1M. It's a CO2 air pistol. It's like my favorite gun. Okay, so you're ready? Let me put this up. 3, 2, 1. Voila, guys. I'm not gonna show you the gun first, but I'm gonna show you all this. This is where the bullets go for it to shoot. See? So it shoots like that. See? You put the bullets, it shoots. Let's go. Shoots and let's go. Yeah, guys, this is how it looks. Oh, it's actually cool, but yeah. Now we're moving on to the gun. This is the gun right here. It's a very nice gun. It's got like a smoothish, like, it's very flat. The wood is like fresh. And guys, this is like the best gun I have. But I have one more. As you can see, like right there, that big box is the biggest gun I got. This thing so this is the CP1M. This tells you how many yards it can shoot, and it's the best gun yet. Well, actually not the best, but it is pretty cool. That is the best right there in the back. So this is where you cock it to shoot, and then you'll shoot. So now let's do the unboxing, and this is how it looks. As I want to look at it again. It's got that very detailed and glossy look on the thing. And you do know I take care of my guns, okay? Okay, so let's put this away. Okay, we're just gonna slide that in. And if I am going camping, I will take y'all on how I do like survival videos. So this is my gun right here, which is an air rifle. Guys, this box is so big that my camera can't even take half of this thing. So let's do unboxing of this. I did turn it the wrong side, so I did open it and I was shooting, and this thing is very loud. So one switch down, the other one right here, and one more right here. So guys, I already saw the gun, so I'll let you all look at it. 3, 2, 1, go. This is my air rifle. As you can check this thing out, it's my air rifle. It has a very detailed thing. Like, look here, guys. It's very detailed. With this, which y'all never should play with. This is like the settings for the gun. Yeah. So this one actually has a very smooth and glossy look. I'll just bring it a little closer to the camera so y'all can check. Like, look at the gloss. Yeah, and I do take care of my guns, so yeah. Because this is my favorite part, is the wood. But this is the air rifle right here. So what this one is not a normal one. You have to break it. Like, you bend it and then you cock it. That's how it cocks. And I also got something new. I just got this gun and I'm already adding stuff to this, which is right here. This is my telescope. This is called the rifle scope, guys. So it's got like the thing, so you can like look, and then you shoot. It's got like a little like X here to shoot whatever you're shooting. Yeah, guys, I did shoot this thing and it went through metal, which was crazy. So I'm gonna put this back in the box, and I am gonna be showing you all the bullets. So let me just put this back. That one does not come with the scope, if you can see right there. Like that one, like right there. It does not come with the scope. But this one, I did buy a scope for it. This is actually the cleanest gun I got here. Guys, for this one, it has a scope. As y'all can see, like right there. But you can't really see through it. So, yeah, I bought a new scope for it. Let me show you. Oh, and this is the rim. I had the options of these two. So this is the one I have right now. This is the other one. This one, it like there's another part like yeah, you have to bend it, and this whole thing goes over. But this one, you just pull it down. Yeah, it was actually cool. Comes to all the stuff that tells you. That one, I don't think it came with instructions. It's an air rifle. If you don't believe me, it's an air rifle. See, to break it, you have to do like that. Yeah. Let me tell you what bullets it takes. It takes these. It is the air rifle bullets. You can look at it to see. That one takes a greenish color like this, but it's not the same. That one takes like that big. Yeah, like that big. This one takes like this big. But I'll open it, show you. Okay, let's go. Right here is the bullet. So let me just take one out to show, and that's how small it is, guys. But these things can shoot. Let me just bring a little closer to the camera so you can see. Yeah, it mostly goes like right there. You cock it, put them right there, then you shoot. So yeah, I actually have that one. Is actually, I like these ones more. It's tinier and it has way more. That one is very big. It does not have that much. So yeah, that's half my gun. Let me just close this up. That was so satisfying. Okay, now let's put this back in the box, and I am gonna be showing y'all. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna be showing y'all that I do have a paintball gun. I will be showing y'all in the next video. So y'all know what to do. Stay safe, and peace.